Wow, this phone looks amazing in this color. Let's unbox the OnePlus A46 Ultra. Tada! This is the OnePlus S6 Ultra in the Force Awakening color. Let's take a look at this color. First, let's look at the design of the back cover. At first glance, it looks black and gray, right? But did you notice the AC exclusive flowing light logo? Under the changing light, it has a sparkling effect, which is very beautiful. Then, the frosted texture feels like it has a three-dimensional pattern when you touch the surface, just like a pattern. The overall look is very layered. The camera design is still the family design style, with a metal cube on the side and an AI button on top, along with a large rounded corner design. Let's look at the details at the bottom. The charging port is still injection molded, which is very good. The whole device feels. The texture of the phone, from the frame to the back cover, is matte and frosted, making it very comfortable to hold. Let's take a look at the black border effect on the front, the bottom, left, right, and top. Overall, the visual appeal, color scheme, and design of the front make it one of the most esports-oriented phones this year. Out of 10, how many points would you give it? Next, let's move on to the screen. This time, it uses a BOE screen, and as is their tradition, a 165Hz ultra-high refresh rate screen. High frame rate games will run smoothly. I believe this generation of the AMD S6 Ultra won't leave anyone disappointed like last year. This time, all aspects of the configuration should be top-notch, making it something to look forward to.